Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm from the USA. I would say I have a beginner to intermediate base of Spanish. And on my journey of learning Spanish, one thing that I was really looking for was something that would kind of immerse me into the language a little bit better than just freaking flashcards that you normally get. So I really enjoy that they have different genres and different series that you can watch to keep it kind of fresh and fun and interesting. And I like the fact that when they do the translations of the words on the screen, you can click on that specific, Spanish word, and it'll tell you the translation of that. And then at the end of the episode, they'll give you a review, so you kind of remember that word that you were like kind of hearing but struggling to remember what it meant. And it just seems to sink in better with me just because of like watching a video, watching the movie, and you're kind of like understanding the context and that situation where they were talking about, such and such, and that in that setting, and it kind of just sticks in your mind a lot better. So that's what I really like about Lingopie, so I'd really recommend it.